Assalamualaikum. My name is Marwan. Yusuf bin Marwan. I am a Form 1 student from SMK Datuk Syahadi Negeri Sembilan, and I am a group leader of this presentation. And the group member is Dr. Siti Suryani Osman from University Science Islam Malaysia. So today's topic is about Tank Talk, bringing history to life through interactive communication. Nowadays, many people have reported that history is really difficult and boring to learn because the only sources that are available now are textbooks, date and timelines, names of historical figures, places and events, memorization and examinations. But today, I am going to create a new way of learning history with interactive media, digital communication, visual content, and conversational technology. What is a tank talk? Tank talk is an interactive communication concept that uses historical tanks as gateway to discovering history. For example, the tank that is named T-34 that are being used in the Soviet Union in various battles like Battle of Berlin and Battle of Kursk. Tank talk encourages students to ask who used it, why was it developed, where did it fight, what happened during that battle, how did it affect history. The tank becomes a starting point for conversation and exploration. Why use tanks to tell history? Tanks are more than machines they are connected to. For example, history, technology, people and society, battle and places, and many more. How tank talk works, from historical objects to interactive communication, based so you can see it based on these images and all of the steps. The communication innovation. What makes tank talk innovative? The traditional approach, which is the way that many schools are using now, which is using a textbook, reading, memorizing, and answer questions instead of a teacher, a textbook, or a student. Tank talk interactive communication is the way that I'm going to create now that will make students can see, ask questions, explore, interact, connect, understand, and discover the history even easier and more efficient. The core innovation, Tank Talk does not simply deliver historical information, it changes the communication relationship between the learner and historical content. From information delivered to interactive discovery. This is the core communication innovation of Tank Talk. Example of Tank Talk in action. Imagine talking to a tank. Tank Talk then opens interactive map, historical timeline, battle information, visual materials, and interactive quizzes. Target users and benefits. Who can benefit from Tank Talks? Primary users, which is secondary school students with potential users such as history teachers, schools, museums, educational institutions, parents, and history enthusiasts. This is our future development from Tank Talk to History Talk. Tank Talk can eventually expand beyond tanks. Long-term visions to create a communication platform where history becomes something something students can explore, question, and interact with. So that's all for today about this presentation. So Tank Talk aims to make history more interactive, more visual, more engaging, more accessible, and more meaningful. Tank Talk don't just read history, talk to it. Thank you.